right, we're back modding. I don't like boring, so we're gonna do the X series mats on here. Got it sitting out in the sun. And again, you don't take your mats out, you stick these right on top. We've already alcohol sprayed them, got them all wiped down and cleaned yesterday and tacked them up again. Set them on top. You only need to pull this one off and this one off. So I already did a DIY, but I'll show you the end result of this in one moment. So let's get it popping. What I like to do is separate them, put all the pieces on the sides they need to go on, put the back piece here, put this all the way over here. I have this knocked out in about 30 minutes and installed, separating the pieces, knowing where they have to go. If you're good at puzzles, you'll have this done real fast. If you're not good at puzzles, you might need to call me for some help. We'll take care of that too here at Wetjet Performance. All right, I'm about 10 minutes into it. Already got this side done. We need to get to the other side and get to the back. Got regular right here. We're all done. All done on this side. Got it good. Damn, this looks nice. Super icy. You know where to come get it from Wetjet Performance. I got what you need over here. Peace.